Welcome to Star Flyers Aviation Academy, Hyderabad.
A place to give wings to your aviation career with specialized training programs designed to drive you into the dynamic world of aviation. Our mission is to provide well-trained and skilled candidates to the aviation industry, contributing to its ongoing growth. We provide specialized training in cabin crew training, equipping you with the skills needed for in-flight service, safety procedures and passenger care. Airport ground handling, focusing on passenger services, check-in procedures, baggage handling and ensuring seamless airport operations. Hospitality, preparing you for roles in guest relations, emphasizing exceptional customer service and management skills. Air ticketing, training you in airline reservation systems, ticketing procedures and travel coordination. Practice real-time and practical flight scenarios, mastering in flight protocols, safety demonstrations and emergency response techniques in a futuristic mock cabin. From check-in counter procedures to boarding gate management, prepare for the fast-paced airport environment experimentally here at Star Flyers Aviation Academy. Mirroring luxury hotel settings and allowing you to develop skills in guest services, front office operations and event management, we ensure you are industry ready. Learn to manage bookings, issue tickets and handle customer inquiries efficiently. Beyond technical training, we emphasize soft skills and personality development. Our workshop covers communication skills, interview preparation, time management, personal grooming and ensuring you present your best self to potential employers. Safety is paramount in aviation. Our fire safety and first aid training programs equip you with the knowledge to handle emergencies and enhancing passenger and crew safety. Hear from our successful alumni who onboarded on rewarding careers with the leading airlines and hospitality organizations.
I'm Muskan. I'm from Montreal. Now, I'm very proud to announce that I got placed in BFS Global Services as Operation Officer, and thank you so much, staff.
Hi everyone, my name is Kusuma. I'm from Hyderabad. I have completed my diploma in aviation from Starflies Aviation Academy. Now I got placed in Air India SATS as a ground staff. Thank you so much for Starflyers.
Hello everyone, my name is Swarna. I'm from Suryapet. I completed my diploma course in aviation from Starflyers Aviation Academy. I am very proud to say that I got placed in Air India SATS as a junior executive. Thank you for Starflyers Aviation Academy.
నమస్తే స్టార్ ప్లేస్. చాలా హ్యాపీగా అనిపిస్తుంది పాప ఇట్లా సెలెక్ట్ అయినందుకు. ఇంత తొందరగా సెలెక్ట్ అయినందుకు ఇంకా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది.
Starflyers is your first step towards your dream job. Our dedicated placement assistance team provides 100% guidance, connecting you with opportunities in domestic and international airlines, hotels, and travel agencies. Ready to embark on your aviation journey? Contact us today to learn more about our programs and how we can help you achieve your career aspirations. Courses offered at Starflyers are Diploma in Aviation and Hospitality, 1 year, and Certificate course in 6 months. Eligibility criteria. Students should be cleared or pursuing final year of intermediate or graduation. Age criteria to enroll for this course is 18 to 25 years. Mandatory no visible tattoos. Height required minimum 155 centimeters above. Should possess good communication skills in English and Hindi. For cabin crew, minimum height for female is 155 centimeter and above, and for males is 165 centimeter and above. Age criteria is between 18 to 26 years. Should possess good communication skills in English and Hindi. Mandatory no visible tattoos. Salary expected for domestic airlines would be between 30 to 60k. For international airlines, salary expected would be 40k to 1 lakh and above. Students should be cleared or pursuing final year of intermediate or graduation. Ground staff. Age criteria from 18 to 27 years. Students should be cleared or pursuing final year of intermediate or graduation. Mandatory no visible tattoos. Minimum height for female is 155 centimeter and above, and for males is 165 centimeter and above. Should possess good communication skills in English and Hindi. Age criteria is between 18 to 26 years. Students should be cleared or pursuing final year of intermediate or graduation. Minimum height for female is 155 centimeter and above, and for males is 165 centimeter and above. Should possess good communication skills in English and Hindi. Mandatory no visible tattoos.
Thank you, Starflyers.
Thanks to Starflyers Aviation.
Thank you, Starflyers.
Thank you,
So
Starflyers.
I really thankful to
Starflyers
Starflyers
Aviation
Aviation Academy.